Hello everyone, and welcome to Volume Profile Insider. Before we start talking about volume profile, trading, prop firms, or even financial markets, I think it's important to explain why this channel exists. Because honestly, I never originally planned to start a YouTube channel. I've never really enjoyed being in the spotlight. I'd much rather be behind my screens, analyzing the markets and quietly doing my job. And that's also one of the reasons why you'll probably never see my face. And to be honest, I don't think that matters. What matters isn't what I look like. What matters is what I can bring to you. So who am I? I'm going to keep my personal life private. But what I can tell you is that I've been trading for more than 10 years. I've been through the difficult beginnings. I've made mistakes. I've taken losses. I've gone through those periods where you start questioning everything. And today, I make 100% of my living from trading, through both personal accounts and prop firms. And the more years go by, the more I keep coming back to the same conclusion. The problem with trading isn't necessarily trading itself. The problem is everything surrounding it. The dream sellers, the false promises, the miracle screenshots, the social media feeds full of Lamborghinis, the daily profit screenshots, the courses that promise to change your life, the influencers who seem to make more money from their content than from trading itself. And honestly, I'm getting tired of seeing so many people get taken advantage of. Because in the end, it's always the same people who pay the price. Beginners. People who genuinely want to learn. Traders who believe there's a magical strategy hidden somewhere. So let's make one thing clear right now. You will never find that on this channel. You will never find paid signals, VIP groups, get-rich-quick promises, luxury cars rented for a video shoot, out-of-context screenshots, magic strategies. And most importantly, you'll never see me trying to sell you a course. Why? Because that's simply not what this project is about. My goal here is different. My goal is to share my experience. My goal is to help you better understand the markets. My goal is to help you avoid some of the mistakes I wish I had avoided 10 years ago. And most importantly, to help you develop your own way of thinking. Because at the end of the day, I think many traders are searching for the wrong thing. They're looking for a strategy. They're looking for an indicator. They're looking for a setup. They're looking for a secret that nobody else knows. When in reality, the real question is often much simpler. Do you actually understand what the market is doing? Personally, that's the question that led me toward volume profile. Because after years of looking only at candlesticks, support and resistance levels, and traditional indicators, I became interested in a different way of viewing the market. A way of understanding where business actually took place. A way of understanding where market participants found value. A way of understanding why certain areas keep attracting price over and over again. And that discovery completely changed the way I analyze markets. Now, let me be clear. The goal of this channel is not to turn everyone into a volume profile expert. The goal is not to teach a magic strategy. The goal is simply to show you different ways of looking at the market, to give you ideas, to spark your curiosity, to introduce you to tools that professional traders use every day: volume profile, the DOM, order flow, auction market theory, and other concepts that help explain what is really happening behind price movements. We'll also spend a lot of time talking about prop firms, because today they play a massive role in the trading industry. And yet, many traders choose a prop firm without truly understanding how it works. We'll talk about rules, traps, business models, real success rates, serious firms, and firms that may deserve a little more caution. We'll also talk about the profession of trading itself, the real profession, not the version you see on Instagram, not the version you see on TikTok, the real one. Discipline, risk management, patience, mistakes, difficult periods, and all the things that people talk about far less than profits. And there's another part of this channel that I'd really like to build with you: live trading sessions. Now, let me be clear. If I start doing live sessions, they won't be signal services. They won't be educational classes. They won't be streams where I tell you what to buy or sell. The idea is simply to share my trading sessions, my screen, my charts, my DOM, my entries, my exits. The reality of a trading session. No staging, no editing, no filters. Because in the end, I think watching someone trade in real market conditions is often far more interesting than listening to promises. But before I move forward with that idea, I'd love to hear your opinion. Would that type of content interest you? Would you like to see live trading sessions where all trades are visible in real time? Let me know in the comments. And also tell me what brought you to this channel. Trading, volume profile, prop firms, or simply curiosity? In the next video, we're going to start with a topic that completely changed the way I view the markets. Why volume profile completely changes the way you see the market. I'll explain why, in my opinion, this tool allows you to see things that a traditional chart simply cannot show. If this approach resonates with you, consider subscribing. And welcome to Volume Profile Insider.
Call from my boy, said the style was legit. Cash in the back, clutch, slipping, barely quit. Pull up in the whip, and I'm like a grit. No time for the slip, homie, now we bout to dip.